Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another unit we just got on the ground. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft 8.5 by 24 in the Black Blackout package. This one does come with a heavy-duty extended triple tube tongue. This is a 4-foot tongue, which is going to give you guys a great turning radius when you're towing and using this trailer. It takes this trailer, pushes it back away from your vehicle, and allows you to be able to turn tighter. You also have the extra tall diamond plate rock guard on the front with the Blackout package, and the nice big diamond plate wrap on those corners, as well as a rounded upper cap. Cargo Craft always does a great job with all their exterior running lights. We've got a bunch here on the top, and I don't know if you guys can quite see, but they're all the way down the side here as well. So it's really nice when you are towing at night to know exactly where your trailer is. This one does have two 6,000-pound spread torsion axles with brakes. Now the spread axle package gives you guys an optimal towing experience. It's pretty much as good as it gets in the trailer world. This is going to give you an independent suspension underneath the trailer with the torsion axles, so it's going to ride better. And then by distributing this weight and spreading these axles out, it can also cut down on any wagging and swaying that can occur. So again, in the trailer world, optimal setup there. We do have a 16-inch radial tire with aluminum wheels on this unit as well, and you get the really cool spread axle skirting along the bottom. This one's also equipped with the 4x5 or a 5x6, not sure which one this is, sorry. Awning door right here does have a window in it. I'm going to spin around and try and get you guys a better shot of that here. And there's that awning door. This flips up like an awning and allows you guys to be able to pull your vehicles in, swing that car door out through there, and make it a lot easier to get in and out of your vehicle. Plus it's a really cool way to just kind of vent the trailer out if needed. And then we've got drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close, plus this nice diamond plate transition flap. This will help with you guys if you have lower profile vehicles that you're loading in and out of here. I'm gonna come around here as well. Side door does have that RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on the side door right there, as well as a nice gutter. Couple of windows in this unit. This unit is also insulated walls and ceiling. So let's talk about interior. This does have a 7-foot interior height, and then you guys can see here at the rear, the trailer does drop off 3 inches. This is called a dovetail. So what this does is it helps with the angle coming in and out of the trailer for you guys by dropping this back part of the deck when you guys have lower profile cars, but it's just also nice when you're pulling anything in and out of here, even UTVs. You've got 4 D-rings, 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front. Again, insulated walls and ceiling, white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. You guys can see we've got 2 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens. These are tinted windows, and you guys can open those up and get some nice ventilation, or pop up that awning door as well and get a lot of ventilation through here. Plus you've got 2 overhead Maxx Air roof vents. These both have that bubble cover over them so they won't leak water in on your stuff. And then we also have a couple of load lights here at the rear. So that light switch is going to be right there. If you guys pull up at night, you need to see what you're doing, drop the ramp door, flip that switch on, and you've got, bam, 2 instant LED spotlights. These are super bright lights. We love these. Plus you guys can kind of angle them down or up more as needed depending on what you're loading. This one also has a really cool rear diamond plate wrap around this rear door jamb. Try and get you guys a good shot of that. It looks like 6 puck lights. Good lighting in here. We've got 4 on this side and then 2 on this side. These also have individual toggle switches on them. Again, they're LED, they're super bright, really efficient. They're great lights to use in these trailers. Nudo floor with Drymax. So Nudo floor is one of our favorite floors. It's one of the best performing floors we can stick in a trailer. Real bonus of this is it looks cool, but underneath you've also got the Drymax. Drymax is a product that does not leak or absorb, it does not absorb any water or moisture. So it's much different than having plywood underneath your trailer, and for longevity purposes, it's a far superior product than just having a plywood underneath the trailer. So bonus there, and like I said, it looks really cool and it performs amazing on top as well. And then coming in a little bit farther here, another roof vent up front. This light switch is going to turn on all of your puck lights, but then remember they've got toggle switches so you guys can control those individually. Back side of this door does give you this piece right here, which is your RV lock. Gives you guys a deadbolt, a lock, latch, and a set of keys, which is nice. Interior step, all trimmed out in diamond plate coming in, and 2 more D-rings right here. You've got about a 7,000-pound payload capacity with this unit, so you guys can load it up pretty good. Get a car in here, a couple UTVs, whatever you guys want to do to go play and have some fun or enjoy your trailer. So here it is. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, as always, we would love to earn your business. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We also have shipping available, so if you guys don't live near us, that's okay. You can call to inquire. We can get you a shipping rate, and you can reach us at 303-688-8485, or as always, check us out online, ColoradoTrailersInc.com.